Happy International Day of Care and Support. My name is Mercedes de los Santos, Project Director at Open Data Charter. We are a global civil society organization that works to support governments in the process of opening up their data. From the Open Data Charter, we want to highlight the relevant role that data plays in the development of effective care policies to close gender inequality gaps. This video is to introduce our Open Up Guide on the care sector, which aims to measure the demand and supply of care services. This guide is designed for government reformers, beginners, and experts who are exploring the use of open data to understand the demand and supply of care at the local level. It is based on experiences from two cities, Buenos Aires and Mexico City.
In 2021, we developed a set of care indicators to provide reliable and up-to-date information on how care is organized using statistical data. The care system indicator organized data around each of the four vertices of the care pyramid: the state, household, civil society organization, and the private sector. It also includes contextual indicator related to the demographic to understand how requires and many require care.
To replicate the indicators built in Buenos Aires in another city, we partnered with the Secretary of Women of Mexico City to measure the demand and supply of care in the Mexican context.
In Mexico City, our goal was to adapt these indicators to better understand the needs of those who rely on care and services currently available to them. It was a challenging task, but we succeeded in developing over 60 indicators. Our system also includes information about caregivers, salaries, training, and working conditions of caregivers.
If you're ready to identify challenges faced in the distribution of care services and needs, we will guide you through different datasets and how to build care indicators according to the available data source. This guide includes a list of key datasets, how they could be collected, stored, shared, and published, possible data sources to be used to build indicators, use cases from real-life examples, among others.
How to use it? Start by defining a theme and the project scope. Next, agree on a common conceptual definition of care and translate this definition into operational indicators. Then, identify the necessary data sources and assess dataability for those indicators. Finally, it's time for data processing. Process and analyze the data, which will be showcased on the public portal.
We use various information sources, including the annual household survey, the chapter on disability, the time use survey, and population projections. These allow us to identify some key findings. Buenos Aires is becoming an aging city with growing population of older women, while minimal population growth is expected to continue in the southern areas. The number of daycare centers for kids has remained stable and concentrated in the central regions.
Are you interested in building your local indicators to understand the care sector in your city? Please check out our guide or contact us to info@opendatacharter.org. Please share this video if you found it useful. We're happy to chat if you have further questions. Send us a tweet.